Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 10th science book, chapter 1, human health and food, or food and human health. And today's topic is food. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book, chapter 1, food and human health. And today's topic is food. First is nutrition. Students, it is a part of food. In the nature, all organisms gets different type of nutrient. Students, nutrient is a specific substance. They are essential for growth and complete life cycle. Once again, in the nature, organism gets different types nutrient from its surrounding atmosphere. Next is nutrition is the basis of life. Nutrition is the basis of life because all biotic or vital activities depend on nutrition like growth, metabolism, respiration, excretion, reproduction. All biotic or vital process are depend on nutrition. Next, some specific definition in this subtopic nutrition. First is balanced food. Students, balanced food or balanced diet is one that contains all the essential nutrients like carbohydrate, lipid, protein, vitamin, minerals and water, etc. They are main contents of balanced diet or balanced food. Next is unbalanced food. If any content like carbohydrate, lipid, protein, vitamins, minerals and water. Once again, if deficiency of any balanced diet content like carbohydrate, lipid, protein, vitamin, minerals and water. It is called unbalanced food, unbalanced diet. Next, deficiency of any of the nutrient. It means carbohydrate, lipid, protein, vitamin, minerals and water. Nutrient makes the diet unbalanced. Next is vitamin. Students, it is a content of balanced food. First, it is a carbonic or organic substance. First, second, it is part of balanced food, part of balanced food or balanced diet. Next is vitamins are a very main part of, it means few amount, tiny amount, part of the food, but they are functionally very important. Next, some specific vitamins and some specific vitamin and deficiency of vitamins, their symptoms and disease are following. Once again, some specific vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin H. But in 10th class science book, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C and vitamin D only. Next, deficiency of vitamins, their symptoms and disease are following. First is vitamin A. Chemical name or scientific name of vitamin E is carotene or retinol. First, next is deficiency, disease, night blindness. Students, remember, if deficiency of vitamin A, so humans eyes are affected. Next is symptoms of deficiency of vitamin A is unable to see at night or in light. So once again, first is vitamin A. First is chemical name or scientific name of vitamin A is retinol or carotene. Students, remember, but main source of vitamin A is carrot. Next, deficiency disease of vitamin A is night blindness. It means when deficiency of vitamin A, humans are affected vision part. It means eye. Next, symptoms of deficiency of vitamin A. It means symptoms of night blindness is unable to see in light or at night. Next is vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex. Complex, it means in vitamin B complex include many parts of vitamin D. First is vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9 and B12. First is B1. It means vitamin B1. First is chemical name or scientific name is thiamine. Students, learn to scientific name all vitamins, scientific name or chemical name. Next is deficiency disease due to vitamin B1 is very. In this disease, human skin are affected. Next is symptoms of deficiency of vitamin B1. First is weakness in nerves and muscles. Students, nerves, they are specific cell of humans and longest cell of human. In humans, all type cells to show division, it means all type cell are divided, but single nervous cell, it means neuron, does not divide or cannot divide. Muscles, it is fatty like structures. In humans, 639 muscles, mostly 3 types. Second symptoms is low heartbeat. In adult human, heartbeat is 72 per minute. Next is vitamin B2. First is chemical name or scientific name is riboflavin. Next is deficiency disease due to riboflavin flavinosis. It is a disease. Next, symptoms of riboflavinosis is, first is memory loss, second is skin of lips are rupturing. Next is vitamin B3. It means, first is chemical name or scientific name of vitamin B3 is niacin. Once again, scientific or chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. Next, deficiency disease due to vitamin B3 is pellagra disease. Next is symptoms of pellagra disease is dry scales on tongue and skin. Dry scales means skin and tongue become dry, या dryness. Next is vitamin C. First is chemical name or scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Once again, scientific name or chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Next is deficiency disease due to vitamin C is scurvy. Once again, deficiency disease due to vitamin D is scurvy. Next is symptoms of scurvy disease is, first is bleeding from gums. It means scurvy disease related to teeth. And last is vitamin D. First is chemical name is calciferol. Once again, scientific name or chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. Next is deficiency disease due to vitamin D. It means calciferol. It means deficiency disease due to calciferol is bones rickets. Disease is rickets. Once again, deficiency disease of vitamin C is scurvy. Deficiency disease of vitamin D is rickets. Rickets disease are related to bones. It means symptoms, first is bones of leg bends. First. Second symptoms is inward bending. of knee part. It means leg joint. It is a leg joint. So students, today's topic is completed. So thanks. Have a nice day.